Welcome to my channel. Now in Stable Diffusion, you can copy the expression from one image and paste it onto another image. You can do that using OpenPose model in Stable Diffusion. In this video, I will tell you the step-by-step process to do that, and along the way, I will generate some images. But this model is not perfect. There are some limitations and I will be telling you about that in this video. For this model to work, you need to have Stable Diffusion and ControlNet extension on your system. I have made videos that will tell you step-by-step process to do both. I will share the link of both videos below in the description. So let's get started. So I have entered some prompt and I have uploaded this image to Stable Diffusion ControlNet. Now I will enable it, click on Pixel Perfect and I will select OpenPose model. And in the preprocessor, I will be selecting OpenPose face only and click on generate. As you can see, I have not entered the expression in my prompts. So this is the image that was generated and this is the original image. So as you can see, Stable Diffusion was easily able to copy the expression over here, but the expression of eyes was not copied. Now let's try another image. So this has an expression of surprise. Let's click on generate again. Again, you can see that expression of lips was copied, but the surprise expression of eyes was not copied. Now let's try this image. So this woman has the expression of disgust. As you can see, it was unable to copy the expression of disgust. Let's try that again. So I have sent the resolution of input image to the image I am generating. Now let's try again. Again, the image was not able to copy. So one thing is there that the expression of disgust, it is not able to copy. Expressions like smiling, it is easily able to copy. One more thing I have noticed that expression of eyes is not transferred to the image and expression of forehead is also not transferred to the image. Let's try this smile and click on generate. But again, the expression of eyes and eyebrows is not copied properly. So this is the major problem that I have noticed in this model. Expression of the lips is transferred to the image you are generating, but expression of eyes, expression of eyebrows, and expression of forehead is not transferred. Another problem that I have noticed, the negative emotions like disgust, it is not able to capture properly. I hope in future versions of ControlNet, this is improved. But till then, you have to keep this in mind. With this, we come to the end of this short video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more such content.